Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to start print on demand on Redbubble. The first thing you want to do once on redbubble.com, you're going to tap on sign up in the top right hand corner. After tapping on sign up, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to select artist sign up. After selecting artist sign up, from here you can input your email address, then you can add in your shop name. Then you'll create a password. After creating the password, from here you can tap on sign up. So let me do that real quick. After selecting sign up, you'll just give it a few seconds and then you'll be redirected to your Redbubble dashboard. Once on the Redbubble dashboard, from here you'll be able to create your first product. So you're going to tap on add designs. After selecting add designs, you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on upload new work. If you don't have a design as yet, a platform that I would recommend you use is Canva. With Canva, you'll be able to create designs for completely free. Let's say, for example, we are planning to sell print on demand t-shirts. We could tap on the search bar and type in t-shirt logo. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And you can see that you have over 13,000 different logos that you can choose from. So from here you can select whichever one of these logos you like. Keep in mind that the logos that you see with the crown that says Pro, you'd have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use it. But we'll be using this logo for example. And we're going to tap on customize this template. Once on this page, you can add your own personal touches. So for example, I'm going to change this to simple answers. As you can see there, you can also increase the font size by tapping where you see 39 on my screen, and you could increase the font size. You can change the font style if you want, and you can also add other graphics and so on. Then you are going to tap on share in the top right hand corner and tap on download, then select download once more. Now, after you have downloaded your design, you're going to go back into Redbubble, tap on upload new work, and you're going to select the design that you have created. Then you'll tap on open. After you have done that, you can select the language, then you can add in your title. So I'm just going to be calling it simple answers. After adding in the title, you can also add in tags. And these tags, I would recommend that you make them related to audience that you would like to target. So for example, if you are targeting persons that are interested in trees or so on, you can input that right here. You can also write out a detailed description that will also help you to get better queries so that you'll be able to get some organic visitors onto your Redbubble page. So you could add in your description right there. Then by scrolling down, you can see the different products. If you don't want it to be added to a product, you can simply tap right where you see enabled and it will be disabled right there. But let's say, for example, I want it to be added to the bucket hat also. I can tap right where you see disabled and tap on enabled. If I would like to further edit it, for example, select the colors that it will be added on and so on, I can tap on edit. And then by scrolling down, you can continue doing this. So whether you'd like it to be added on dresses, stickers, magnets, phone cases, and so on, you can enable it and you can disable it. So you'll be able to create your print on demand shop in no time using Redbubble. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, as you can see right here, you're going to scroll all the way down. Then at the bottom of the page, all you'll need to do now, you can see right here, is this mature content? You can select yes or no. So I'm going to be selecting no, and then we'll set it as public. After you have done that, you're going to tap on I agree, and then you're going to tap on save work. After you have tapped on save work, you're going to give it a few seconds while it is being processed, and you can see processing completed. Once it has been completed, you'll be redirected to this page and you can get a better view of how your products looks now. So you can see how your shop look right there. you can see the different mock-up images, and it does look good. All you'll need to do, if you like to get a better view, you can tap on view right here, and you can see how your Redbubble shop looks. So this is it at the moment. Persons can visit your shop, tap on any one of the products, and then from there they'll be able to make a purchase. It is as easy and straightforward as that. Now you can scroll back up. If it is a case that you would like to make any other editing options, you could tap on manage portfolio and you could do that. And to complete our setup, we'll be tapping on return to dashboard in the top left hand corner. After selecting return to dashboard, from here we are going to be setting up our shop. So you are going to tap on add profile pic, and from here you could upload your profile picture. You could also upload a cover image by tapping on upload, adding profile name, last name, and display name. And you can also scroll down and toggle on the notifications that you would like to receive or don't want to receive. You can scroll back up. Then from the left hand menu option, you could tap on edit payment details. From here you will input your first, last name, email address, and so on, and your personal address. Then you can select the payment currency, so you can select your currency right here that you would like to get paid via PayPal or so on, depending on the country or the currency. So you can select it right there. Then you can connect your PayPal account, or if you are using a different payment option, you can connect it right there. After you have done that, you can also customize other stuff. So you can select all clothing and you could add clothing and so on to your shop. Once you're finished, you're going to simply tap on Redbubble once more. And you can see the main Redbubble right here. So you can see how others are doing it and you can get inspiration from it. To view your profile once more, you can tap on your account in the top right hand corner. Then you could tap on manage portfolio. After tapping on manage portfolio, you'll be redirected to this page. Now after viewing your portfolio, you'll go over to the top left hand corner once more and you're going to select sell your art. After selecting sell your art, from here if you would like to add social links, you can do that. You can also add a bio, and you can go over further to the right hand menu option and you can also confirm your phone number and so on. And that's basically it when it comes on to setting up your Redbubble account and start your print on demand journey. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.